Hey, what's going on everyone? I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today I'm going to show you the browser check and the live visibility feature. Let's get started. Okay, let's do it. Let's check this website. It's basically a demo e-commerce store. So I'm going to click on the browser check. Now here you have three separate fields. The first field is basically where you are going to input your website URL. The second field is basically where you're gonna name your check or your test. And the third field, check prompt, is where you are going to tell AI what the test is all about. Basically, you are going to instruct AI to do the test for you. Here we have some few examples: load page and login verification. If you scroll down a little bit, you have more advanced settings. You can briefly describe your tests. You can also adjust the frequency of your test if you want each 5 minutes, 15, 30, and so on, or daily. And if the check fails, you can schedule how many times you want to retry again. For example, 1 or 2 or 3 times. And you can also choose the time between each attempt. For example, retry 3 times, each 10 minutes or each 30 minutes. Now you can also create alerts if for whatever reason the test fails or an incident occurs. You can add a channel to be notified if anything went wrong during the test. You can get notified via email, Slack, Discord, SMS, Telegram, Microsoft Teams, or webhook. You have plenty of options, and yeah, that's basically it. Okay, let's try this out. Let's conduct our first test. I'm just gonna go with login verification. Create check, and you just need to click on run now. And as you can see, you can watch your test live. You can watch AI do the test for you. And after a moment, you got the results here in the left side of the screen. By the way, if you want to try our software, you can find the link in the description below. You can start with the free plan. It's completely free and no credit card needed. Let's get back to the video. Okay, let's do it again with another prompt. So I'm gonna go with this prompt. Locate the login page and log in and make a purchase and verify if the checkout field works properly. Let's copy the address. Let's name it 2 and that just create a check. Okay, let's click here. Click on run now. Very simple, right? Everything works smoothly and you have every single information needed for the test. This is, by the way, the live visibility feature. And the test was successful, as you can see. If you need any additional information about ObserveOne, you can head over to our website and we have a section, detailed guide, basically anything you need to know about how our platform works. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe, hit that like button. I put the link in the description below. You have a free trial. Check it out. It's completely free. Thanks again and have a nice day.